The Ministry of Endowment and Religious Affairs of Somaliland took the campaign tour to the Immigration Office as the agency that deals directly with anything that gets into the country. The minister, Sheikh Abdurrazak Sheikh Hussein Al-Bani, charged officers to be on their guard in mitigating the spread of drugs and addictive substances.
oo ah diinta iyo nafta iyo caqliga iyo maalka iyo cirdiga iyo sharafka waan jeedaa iyo nasliga iyo taranta.
Professor Sarah Agnal Simon, who is the facilitator from Amal Hope, said the reason for the campaign is to allow people make informed decisions on their own health, adding that a healthy family builds healthy society.
Healthy families build strong communities. The family is made up of individuals, children, men, women, adults and elderly people in Somaliland. For people who are not yet using drugs, the family can help them not to start using drugs and substances.
Sarah said the choice of Immigration Office is to let the officers identify these narcotic substances and understand the ways of preventing it. She emphasized that addictive substances can be found all over the world, which don't just come in form of cocaine, heroin, alcohol, nicotine and marijuana, but are highly dangerous.
The program is a training specifically for immigration staff. It is part of our national awareness raising campaign. The campaign I'm talking about is a campaign to raise awareness in Somaliland about drugs and substance abuse, that is narcotics and illicit drugs. The reason why we are raising is we want people to be able to make informed decisions, to make decisions for their own health. When people have information, then they know the risks related to crime. They know the dangers it poses to society. They know what they're doing to themselves, so they make informed decisions. This is the new approach that UN Office of Drugs and Crime is taking worldwide. We don't arrest people who are taking drugs. They are people in need of care and protection. So when we talk today to the immigration staff, we just want to help them recognize drugs. What do they look like? What are their effects? So that even if they come in contact with people who are taking drugs or Korean, they can educate them by telling them, this is what this substance does to people. Are you sure this is what you want to do? So that the immigration staff and the police in Somaliland are very proactive in their community policing. Immigration staff meet people from different communities, from different nationalities. We want to portray a positive image of our law enforcement, but at the same time, we want to be able to do that educative role.
She confirmed that Somaliland government is intensifying efforts to curb the trend by fully supporting this campaign, adding that the fight against drugs is a collective war that must be fought with knowledge, hence the training. The prevention campaign on drugs and substance misuse came at a time the use of khat is consumed as amphetamine-like stimulants in the country and is becoming almost uncontrollable as the substance is sold freely everywhere.
Khat has been in Somaliland longer than the government itself. Yeah? So the government came into being when khat was already normalized. So it's an uphill drive. So this program, this campaign, national campaign, is funded by the Ministry of Endowment and Religious Affairs out of the feeling of responsibility for the health and well-being of the people of Somaliland. And it's coming at a time when already khat consumption has been going on for a number of decades, even before Somaliland came into being. So what it is doing, it's coming into a place where there is already an attitude, a certain beliefs, and certain attraction towards khat. So therefore, when we the main thing is to raise awareness, so people know what does khat do to the body, what does khat do to the body, and how people can make informed decisions.
It is estimated that 90% of Somaliland's adult male population as well as 20% of its female population chew the bitter leaf. According to a research of the Africa Business Journal, khat has also become an important import tax earner for the government, generating 20% of its budget and providing jobs.